Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Grave Tidings is probably one of the most uniquely captivating and emotionally resonant products we've encountered this year, offering a profound blend of artistry and sentimentality that transcends typical consumer goods, making it an essential consideration for anyone seeking to commemorate, decorate, or simply appreciate an item with deep narrative and exceptional craftsmanship. Number 5. Coogam Wooden Blocks Puzzle 40 PCS. Discover a classic toy crafted from natural, healthy basswood. Its smooth surface and harmless paint ensure a safe and enjoyable play experience for everyone. This versatile puzzle comes with 40 pieces and countless possibilities. Create pistols, robots, trees, and more. Every time you play, a new design emerges. With its simple design and vibrant colors, it's perfect for sparking imagination or simply unwinding. It offers a calming challenge that can be completed differently each time. These geometric blocks engage children with various play options. Solving them helps improve focus, creativity, eye-hand coordination, and color and shape recognition. It provides a superior alternative to digital entertainment. This traditional puzzle keeps minds active and engaged, fostering development away from screens. An awesome intelligence puzzle for kids and a great fidget toy for adults. It attracts both young and elderly people, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. What we like? This classic wooden puzzle offers endless creative possibilities and a calming play experience. Its diverse shapes and colors boost imagination and cognitive skills. If you are looking for a screen-free, educational toy that promotes focus and creativity, this is an excellent choice for both kids and adults. What people say. Number 4. Homight Solar Angel Stake Remembrance Decoration. Honor your loved ones with a beautiful tribute. This elegant decoration provides a comforting presence for those you hold dear, offering a symbol of remembrance and peace. Featuring a delicate metal angel design, it emits a warm, candle-like LED light. This creates a romantic and serene ambience, perfect for any special occasion or quiet reflection. Measuring 41 inches tall, it's an ideal size for various settings. Place it in your garden, patio, or as a respectful cemetery decoration, bringing solace wherever it stands. Installation is incredibly easy. Just press it into the soil and ensure the switch is on. No complicated wiring or external power is ever needed. Harnessing the sun's energy, it charges during the day and automatically illuminates at night. Enjoy up to 6 hours of beautiful light after a full charge, effortlessly. Crafted to be weather-resistant and durable, it withstands the elements beautifully. It makes a truly heartfelt and energy-efficient gift for family and friends on any occasion. What we like? This beautiful solar-powered stake offers a heartfelt way to remember loved ones. Its automatic lighting creates a warm, comforting glow without any wiring hassle. If you want a durable, low-maintenance, and touching tribute for a grave or garden, this provides a serene presence. What people say. Number 3. Osmo Detective Agency. Dive into a world of intrigue with this engaging STEM toy. It's designed for young minds aged 5 to 12. Inviting them to solve mysteries across the globe. Experience award-winning learning games that bring physical play to life. Children interact with real handheld pieces, seamlessly integrated with an iPad or Fire tablet, no Wi-Fi needed. Using a magnifying glass game piece, players search for global landmarks. They'll learn fascinating facts about geography, culture, and history, developing critical thinking and observation skills. This game is perfect for children aged 5 to 12 and beyond, accommodating both beginners and experts. It provides real-time feedback, fostering learning through stress-free experimentation. Inside the box, you'll find 4 double-sided maps, a convenient map holder, and a magnifying glass. It also includes access to the full Detective Agency game app. It's compatible with a wide range of iPads running iOS 15 or later. This includes various generations of iPad, iPad Air, iPad mini, and iPad Pro models. This game also works with various Fire tablet models, including Fire 7, Fire HD 8, Fire HD 10, and Fire Max 11. Ensure your device runs Fire OS 7 through Fire OS 8 for optimal performance. What we like? This innovative game blends physical play with digital learning for an engaging experience. It challenges kids to solve global mysteries, enhancing critical thinking and geography skills. If you are looking for an award-winning educational game that makes learning fun and interactive, this is perfect for young explorers. What people say. Number 2. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste. Do you experience discomfort from sensitive teeth? This specialized toothpaste is designed to provide relief and protection. It offers intensive repair for your enamel. This formula works to actively reharden and strengthen the vital protective layer of your teeth. It helps to reharden and strengthen your enamel. This action protects against the effects of acid erosion and daily wear. Beyond protection, it also leaves your mouth feeling extra fresh. Enjoy a clean and invigorating sensation after every brush. This toothpaste is your ally for stronger, healthier teeth. Incorporate it into your daily routine for lasting oral health benefits. What we like. This toothpaste is specifically designed to target and repair weakened tooth enamel. It actively rehardens and strengthens your teeth, providing relief for sensitivity. If you suffer from sensitive teeth or want to protect and restore your enamel, this offers intensive care and a fresh feeling. What people say. Number 1. Creative Hobbies 7W Candelabra E12C26 Replacement Bulbs. Are your decorative lights looking dim? It's time to brighten up your space with reliable replacement bulbs. They bring a warm, steady glow to any setting. These bulbs are perfect for a wide range of applications. Use them in electric window candles, elegant chandeliers, or festive Christmas light strings. They enhance any indoor or outdoor lighting. Designed for convenience, they fit Candelabra E12 and C7 base sockets. This ensures a snug and secure fit for your night lights and decorative fixtures. Installation is quick and effortless. Experience superior quality with these 7-watt, 120-volt clear bulbs. Their nickel-plated screw bases resist tarnishing, ensuring long-lasting performance. They are pre-tested for reliability. Featuring a classic C26 torpedo shape, they offer the perfect look for your decorative lights. These bulbs provide a steady, inviting illumination. Their clear finish enhances any fixture. These long-lasting bulbs are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Brighten your holiday rooflines, patio strings, or everyday night lights with their consistent glow. They are truly versatile. Each pack comes in a sturdy box, ensuring safekeeping and easy storage. You'll always have them ready when you need a replacement. This thoughtful packaging protects your investment. What we like. These reliable replacement bulbs are perfect for a variety of decorative lighting needs. Their standard candelabra base fits many fixtures, ensuring your lights shine brightly. If you need high-quality, long-lasting bulbs for your electric window candles, night lights, or chandeliers, this pack provides excellent value and performance. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.